They might say you're weird, strange, not normal, an outcast. They might say you don't fit in. You might even feel like one or all those things. And if you do, good. Do you really want to be like the rest? Like the majority of human beings who act like sheep? Sheep who fall into line? Sheep who conform to the expectations of society and therefore will always be limited in their thinking and results, like all of those they surround themselves with? Do you really want to be like the sheep who believe in limitations? Like the sheep who follow the path they are told to follow when walking their own, while hard would have led to their true purpose in life? Do you want to be like the sheep who play a role in order to satisfy other people's expectations, meanwhile their own dreams slowly die with them? I don't know about you, but if the price I have to pay for following my own purpose is to be labeled weird, I will take weird. I'll take weird over average. I'll take weird over ordinary. I'll take weird over settling for a life less than my potential. They'll call you weird now, but later they will ask you how you did it. They'll say you don't fit in now, but later they'll want to fit in with you. They might look down on you now, but later they'll look up to you. For you had the courage they lacked. The courage to speak your truth. The courage to follow your path, even when it was unpopular. What is rare on this earth is a great human being who was considered normal in the beginning. All the greatest minds were considered crazy, weird, unpopular at some stage. But you know what? They kept following that path, even when it was dark, even when there was no one walking beside them, even when they couldn't see the light at the end of the tunnel. They kept walking. They kept following their truth. And that is why they are now admired by the world. The world that once couldn't understand them, so gave them a label: weird, crazy. You, weird one. You crazy one. You who doesn't fit in. Keep following that path. One day it will all make sense. One day it will pay off. Just keep going.